Did you know that about 1 in 5 children will learn to talk later than other kids their age? If you've ever worried about your child's speech development, you are definitely not alone. I'm a pediatrician, and today I want to talk about speech and language delays, what to look for, and when it's time to seek help. It's one of the most common concerns I hear from parents. So let's clear up some of the confusion. First, what's the difference between speech and language? Think of it this way. Speech is the physical act of making sounds and saying words. Language is the system we use to understand and be understood. It's about putting words together to communicate ideas. A child might have a delay in one, the other, or both. So, what are some key milestones? By around 12 months, many babies start saying their first words like mama or dada. By 18 months, they might have about 20 words, and by age 2, they're often putting 2 words together to make simple sentences like more juice. By age 3, you should be able to understand most of what they say. Remember, these are just averages. Every child develops at their own unique pace. A slight delay isn't always a cause for panic. However, there are some signs that suggest it's a good idea to check in with a professional. For example, if your 12-month-old isn't babbling or trying to communicate with gestures like pointing or waving, or if your 2-year-old isn't using 2-word phrases or can't follow simple instructions. Another sign is if you, as a parent, find it very difficult to understand what your child is trying to say by age 3. What causes speech delays? It can be a variety of things. Sometimes it's related to hearing issues. If a child can't hear well, they can't learn to speak clearly. It could also be related to oral motor problems, meaning the muscles in their mouth aren't coordinating properly. In some cases, it can be a sign of a broader developmental issue. But often, the cause is simply unknown, and the child just needs a little extra support. The most important thing you can do at home is talk, read, and sing to your child constantly. Narrate your day. I'm putting on your red shoes, or let's wash the big yellow banana. Ask them questions, even if they can't answer back yet. And limit screen time, as real-life interaction is far more valuable for language development. If you are concerned, please don't wait and see. Talk to your pediatrician or a speech-language pathologist. Early intervention is key and can make a huge difference. Getting help isn't a sign of failure, it's a sign of great parenting. You are your child's best advocate. Thanks for watching today. I hope this was helpful. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more child health tips. See you next time.